Welcome to CareerLink AI. Today we are tackling one of the biggest productivity killers in the modern workspace: email management. We are going to look at how we can use AI tools like Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot for everyday productivity. We have all been there. You open your inbox and you are already behind. You don't know what to prioritize. You spend hours rewriting responses to sound just right, or worse, you miss important deadlines buried in long threads. But imagine a world where AI prioritizes for you. In this session, we'll focus on summarizing long threads and drafting professional responses instantly using Google Gemini. Specifically, we are going to look at how Google Gemini sidebar integrates directly into your Google workspace, provided that you have a Google account. So, we'll be trying out these 3 prompts we are going to test today. First, summarizing a relationship context. Second, prioritizing urgent mails. And third, drafting a reply. Let's jump into the live demo. Okay, I am in my Gmail inbox. It's a bit cluttered. To start, I'll open the Gemini side panel by clicking on that sparkle icon on the top right. Let's say I need to catch up on my communication with a specific contact from IOE community. I don't want to search through 50 emails. I ask Gemini to simply list everything that has happened so far in my conversation with IOE community. And now I see a person's reply or a feedback, and I need to reply to that feedback. So just look at it. It has scanned all the threads and gave me bulleted summary of our newsletter and that person's feedback and even the key dates. Now I need to reply to that feedback. So instead of starting from scratch, I'll tell Gemini to compose a draft reply for the feedback from Indra. And that was his feedback on January 5th. In seconds, it generates a polite professional email acknowledging his specific points about the newsletter updates. I can insert this directly into the reply window. That saved me about 10 minutes of writing. Now, let's handle the administrative stuff. I'm going to ask Gemini to categorize the most urgent emails I have received last week and add any action items to my Google Calendar. So, Gemini scans my inbox for words like urgent, payment, or deadline. It found a missed email about a backup payment for a Zoom subscription, and this is the magic part. It created a calendar link. And let's click over the calendar to verify. And there it is, December 16th, action item, add backup payment. It took the info from the Gmail and blocked time on my schedule so I don't miss it again. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to master such similar skills, head over to careerlink.ai. We have specific circles or cohorts designed for different roles. Whether you are a developer looking into vibe coding or a researcher needing grant proposal assistant, there is a tailored use case for you and your needs. Let AI handle the busy work so you can focus on what matters. Sign up today for a circle at careerlink.ai and start learning and using AI right away.